What's your English grammar level? This quiz contains 24 questions designed for A1 and A2 English grammar levels. If you got between 1 and 12 correct answers, your grammar level is A1. If you got between 13 and 24 correct answers, your grammar level is A2. Keep track of your score and share it with us in the comments when you're done. Let's start the quiz. Where do you come from? His class starts at 6 o'clock. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. I went there by car. She doesn't work hard enough. Choose the correct sentence. He doesn't like milk. Do you speak French? Eileen lives in a small apartment. They don't have any bread at home. This is the noisy part of the restaurant. He is an honest student in our class. My friends are on holiday now. Did you finish the report yesterday? I'm tired, so I need to go home. We haven't seen her since last week. If you study harder, you will improve quickly. English is spoken in many countries. Choose the correct sentence. He didn't go to work today. I'm not sure, but she might be at the gym now. This hotel is more expensive than the last one. While we were having dinner, the light went out. Are there any questions before we start? By the time we arrived, the class had already started. You should wear a coat. It's cold. Well done on completing the quiz. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting your progress in the next quiz.